Hey, what's going on guys? In this video we are going to see an example of op amplifiers. In this particular problem we are going to see how to calculate this V output voltage. Here you can see the input voltage is connected to the negative terminal. In other words, we can say the input voltage is connected to the inverting terminal. So the equation for the V output voltage is going to be negative feedback resistance, that is this one, RF, over the input resistance we can call R1 or Ri, times the input voltage, that is Vi. Okay, now let's go ahead and plug the values. RF is 4 kilo ohm, and then that one divided by 1 kilo ohm, and that one multiplied by input voltage, that is 2 voltage. So 4 over 1, that's just 4, times 2, that's going to be 8. So we are going to have negative 8 voltage. That's going to be the voltage output of this op amplifier. And you can see, you may have, like here we have a resistance. This doesn't do anything to this voltage output, right? Like for example, if we apply a load resistance, dependent on the value of load resistance, if the load resistance is high, then the current will flow through this, the more current will flow through this one. If that is low, then the current will flow through the load resistance more than this. So this one basically controls the current flow, that's it. So this doesn't do anything to the voltage output. In order to calculate voltage output, all we need is this feedback resistance, input resistance, and input voltage, that's it. And when we have inverting op amplifier, when the input voltage is connected to the negative terminal, this is the generic equation you can always use. And that's how we do this kind of problems. I hope this helps. Thanks for watching.